the fur covered bike. These guys can do on bikes. Like that stuff. Well, he does that 110 miles an hour, dragging himself behind a bike.
It would be the shit if you lost control and you flew into those bikes.
Around practicing on the street out here, and it's unbelievable what they're doing.
That's crazy. Thinking. Now, how long you guys been friends, and how'd you get together?
I think we've been friends for like 7 years or so.
We still love. Watch him biff it on the sand.
This is one half of the D800s. Bring Dr. Corey real quick. Well, he's going to get his all fired up here and do a little more action for you. All right, here comes Corey Coupon. Look at that baby drag. sponsors are, talk about his website a little bit, stuff they got going on here this afternoon.
How you guys doing today? Enjoying the show? Let's hear it. All right, cool. Yeah, just check out our website. It's www.d-aces.com. We got pictures on there, links to a lot of things. Our sponsors, which is kickstand and wheelies for our chrome rims. We got Wintex leathers for our leather jackets and racing gear. And then we also got Tom Mason racing tires for all the tires that we go through all the time, which we definitely need. Without those guys, I don't know if we'd be able to be here today, so please check them out.
All right. Corey's going to do a little more. Dan's going to come over and jump on the four-wheel and do some pretty cool tricks there. Like we tell kids, you got your bikes, take it easy out there. Make sure you got your parents' permission before you do any of this stuff. These guys always ask their parents before they do this, don't you?
Hey, Lumpy out of there.
I don't know, dude. I fall.
Let me see your
Or a backflip or something?
Hey.